Pranam everyone. We are back again on Shambhavi Wellness. Srishti, a hypnotherapist and a psychologist with us. Srishti, today we would like to know about what is grounding technique.
So grounding technique is where one is being brought back to the reality, and we majorly use it when somebody is not able to focus because of any unsaid reason. That could be their anxiety, that could be the level of stress they are having. So what we do is we do this 5 4 3 2 1 technique in
Okay.
grounding, wherein we have to see the 5 things around. Let me just make you do this activity.
Okay, that will be really nice.
Yeah, and I hope even people would be able to understand that what I'm going to portray or explain at the end of
Right.
the day. So 5 things that you can see here at the moment in this
Okay. Rose,
park, right?
leaves,
Hmm.
you,
Okay.
grass,
Hmm.
and watch.
Great. Those are 5 things that you can see. 4 things that you can touch.
Okay. I can touch this cloth,
Hmm.
grass,
Hmm.
then your beads,
Hmm.
and leaf.
Right. Those are the 4 things. 3 things that you can hear around you.
Sound of the bird chirping, somebody chit chatting, and a bus passing by.
Right. 2 things that you can taste right now.
Rose petal,
Hmm.
and
Anything.
there is a candy in my bag.
Okay. So anything that you can sense right now, right? And the last thing is that you can smell.
I can smell the flowers around.
Great. So this is the grounding technique. How do you
Okay.
feel after this?
I'm completely immersed in this and distracted from what I was thinking already. So I think I'm a little relaxed because I was nervous about something and I'm feeling good.
Right. So this is what we do in grounding technique. We make you come back to the reality, to the
Okay.
timeline where you have to be. And if you have any unsaid stress, any unsaid emotion, or anything which is troubling you somewhere or the other, so these sense organs of us, we just activate these sensories where you can see the 5 things, touch the 4 things. So when you touch different objects or different textures, it makes you feel much more calmer.
Okay.
So that is how it works. It basically works onto our sensory organs.
Oh, that's lovely. Thank you so much for sharing.
Thank you.